how to verify BTC on Cash App or how to verify Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can verify BTC on Cash App, meaning Bitcoin, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to verify BTC on Cash App, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is open up Cash App and just make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, tap on the Bitcoin option, which is this logo here from the bottom right. Then you'll see this little toggle that says verify your identity, and that says to get started. So tap the get started button there. Then it says we need a little bit more information to enable withdrawals and deposits. Select that and tap on continue. Once done, you can select the main reason to use Bitcoin and tap on the next option. Then select your main source of income, then tap on the next option. Then select the employment status, such as employed, self-employed, unemployed, and so on. Then tap on next. After you fill in this basic information, also enter your job title. Your Bitcoin withdrawals and deposits will get successfully enabled. Now you can tap on the done button here. Then all you have to do is it will ask you for deposit Bitcoin, that says view Bitcoin address and so on. So you can just go ahead and view your Bitcoin address, and this would be your current Bitcoin address, and you can use it to send and receive Bitcoin. This way you can go ahead and verify BTC referring to Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.